Ready to supercharge your audience engagement by instantly sharing your latest YouTube uploads directly to your Discord community. Let's jump straight into setting up a Zap that automatically posts a message in your Discord channel every time you upload a new video to YouTube. First, head over to Zapier and create a new Zap. For the trigger, search for and select YouTube, then choose New Video in Channel as the trigger event and click Continue. Next, connect your YouTube account to Zapier. You might need to grant Zapier permission to access your YouTube data. After connecting, select the specific YouTube channel you want to monitor for new videos, then click Continue. Now, test the trigger to make sure Zapier can find your recent YouTube videos. If the test is successful, click Continue. For the action, search for and select Discord. Choose Send Channel Message as the action event, and click Continue. Now, connect your Discord account. You'll need to authorize Zapier to access your Discord server. After connecting, select the specific Discord server and channel where you want the notifications to be sent. In the message text field, craft the perfect announcement for your new video. You can include the video title, description, and a link to the video using the data pulled from YouTube. For example, you can type, "Hey at everyone, check out my latest video." YouTube video title, YouTube video URL. Test the action to see how the message will look in your Discord channel. If everything looks good, click Publish Zap. Congratulations, your Zap is now live, and your Discord community will be instantly notified about every new video you upload to YouTube, fostering real-time engagement and keeping everyone in the loop.